Cecilia says, with exercise movement, I have symptoms of a cold daily, sore throat, nasal condition. Would you say that it's okay to do a walk and do some gentle even if I feel like I have an infection? Well, there's a difference, right? If you've got an infection, you need to listen and rest with your body. If it's just CFS symptoms and it's not an infection, so you should go see a doctor first. What I would recommend is doing gentle restorative things versus pushing yourself. And what you'll find is if you can be consistent with building some capacity and some restorative movement into your body, what will happen over time is your immune system will improve. And as I always say, we want to focus on health. So as you get healthier, your symptoms start to decrease, okay? Your immune system gets stronger, your energy system gets stronger, your strength and stamina gets better. So, as health improves, symptoms decrease. So, we've just got to tune into ourselves and do the right thing. If you've got an infection, virus or flu, then obviously I would listen to your body and rest. If you're exhausted, your body's asking for this rest and relaxation. But if you're just dealing with day-to-day symptoms that are consistent with CFS, then this is where you want to just find your right baseline, find your sweet spot, and then move forwards with that.